You know, MAPPA Studio has been killing it, right? Because they've done Chainsawman.
Cool.
Demon Slayer animation is sick. Like Rengoku or whatever, the Flame Hashira. Then there is the other Hashira, the music guy who fought the twin demons in the entertainment district. Damn, they put money in that because it looks clean, it looks very animated, like it's very hyped up. Like if you've never seen it, you should watch it. Like at least the fight scenes, you'll find like 2 or 3 minute clips anywhere, but it's very, very like pristine. I liked it.